Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So here we have a car mirror, a panoramic car mirror that I bought from Aliexpress.com. The price was $9 and free shipping, which was quite a good deal, and it can be mounted on the existing mirror with this simple mechanism. Okay, so basically I had another mirror from my previous car, but as you can see, this one doesn't look that good. It was broken here and I tried to fix it with some duct tape, and it worked just fine, only that it's also a bit rusty, and I thought to buy a new one. It's too bad that I couldn't find the same exact model but with the same setup system, so I would not use this bolts. So this one is a bit smaller, and I'm not sure if you can see properly, but this one is making the view a bit smaller, and this helps with increasing the angles. This one has these side small mirrors which can be turned left, up, and down. But the thing is, the sides one don't make the image smaller, so they're making the image exactly as you will see in a normal mirror, and pretty much they're not helping very much. This one is also a bit wider. So yeah, you can find something like this, as I said, on AliExpress. These mirrors are helping quite a lot, because the stock mirror is just making the view, it's increasing the view, and it's very difficult. You need to use the side mirrors often, but with a mirror like this, it's much more easy to drive. You have wider angles on the sides, because the mirror is pretty much decreasing the view, and the angles are much wider. Do I recommend this one? Well, it's not bad. I've used it for a couple of days, and it's definitely better to drive with it than without it. But I would rather recommend something like this, which is decreasing the view more. You can find something like this made by a company called Heiner in Europe. So if you Google Heiner Panoramic Mirrors, I will also leave the brand name in the video description so you can check it out. And also, if you go on AliExpress and you just type in the search field panoramic mirror car, or car panoramic mirror, you'll find exactly these models sold by a couple of stores. They arrive in 3 weeks maybe, so the shipping is pretty fast. It was well packed, and I guess it's a good deal for now. I'll also try to find something like this, maybe with this kind of setting system, but who knows what I'll find. As I said, this one is a bit rusty and I didn't want it to put it, and also because it's broken, so it doesn't look that great. So yeah, this is how it looks. If you found the video useful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.